Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, the channel where passion for cars meets the excitement of the future. Today, we're diving into one of the most breathtaking blends of history and innovation ever built, the 2026 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod. This is more than just a car, it's an icon reborn, a symbol of muscle heritage fused with cutting-edge technology and modern engineering. Ford has managed to take the soul of a 1967 Fastback and reimagine it into something that not only honors the past but defines the future of performance. At first glance, the Fastback Restomod is unmistakable. The long, sweeping hood, aggressive stance, and sloping roofline are instantly recognizable to Mustang fans, a silhouette that defined the muscle car era. Yet for 2026, those classic lines have been sharpened and modernized. The grille is wider and sleeker, the LED matrix headlights are futuristic yet subtle, and the carbon fiber accents add both style and function by cutting down on weight. From every angle, this Mustang looks like it's ready to leap off the line and dominate, whether it's on Main Street or the racetrack. Beneath that sculpted hood is where the magic truly happens. Powering the Fastback Restomod is a re-engineered 5.2-liter supercharged V8 pushing out more than 700 horsepower. The sound alone is enough to make your heart race, a raw, guttural roar that connects directly to the Mustang's heritage. That power is delivered through a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that provides both blistering acceleration and smooth everyday driving. For those seeking something different, Ford is also offering a hybrid-assisted version that combines instant electric torque with the thunder of a V8, giving drivers the best of both worlds. On the road, the Fastback Restomod is all about connection. The steering feels precise and responsive, making you part of the driving experience rather than just along for the ride. Adaptive suspension systems make it versatile, comfortable enough for a long cruise yet firm and planted when it's time to push hard through the corners. With multiple drive modes like Sport, Track, and Drag, the car adapts instantly to your mood and environment. Brembo brakes provide massive stopping power, ensuring confidence even when you're unleashing every bit of that horsepower. Step inside the cabin and you'll see the same theme, classic inspiration with a modern twist. The interior is draped in hand-stitched leather and accented with brushed aluminum and carbon fiber details. The centerpiece is a 12.3-inch fully digital driver display paired with a 13-inch infotainment system running Ford's latest Sync 5 software. It's fast, intuitive, and loaded with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even performance telemetry. For fans of the old school, Ford has added a retro gauge cluster mode that brings back the look of analog dials, blending nostalgia with today's tech. The Restomod doesn't just focus on performance and looks, it's also packed with safety and convenience. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning make this beast surprisingly easy to daily drive. Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving system is also available for highway stretches, proving that even a car born from the past can embrace the future. Practicality is another area where this Mustang surprises. The rear seats, while compact, add versatility for short trips, and the trunk space is generous enough for weekend adventures. Lightweight materials and aerodynamic enhancements even make it more fuel-efficient than traditional muscle cars, while the hybrid-assisted model takes efficiency a step further. At the end of the day, the 2026 Mustang Fastback Restomod is not just about numbers on a spec sheet. It's about emotion, presence, and the way it makes you feel every time you get behind the wheel. It captures the raw energy of the classic Mustang era and injects it with 21st-century performance and luxury. It's a car that makes your pulse race, your head turn, and your passion for driving come alive. That wraps up our look at the Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod 2026. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most iconic Restomods of all time, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Trend for more epic builds, reviews, and automotive stories that keep the passion burning. The journey doesn't stop here, so stay tuned for more.